on a monument. I beg to dream and if they're wrong, I'll arise. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives on holiday. Hey!
The representative from California has the floor.
Sing out to the president, gas man. Pumped away is your punishment. Pulverize the Eiffel Towers. Criticize your government. Bang, bang goes a broken glass and kill all the facts that don't agree. Triumph by fire, set in fires. Is that a way that's meant for me? Just cause, just cause, because we're all locked in. I beg to dream and different from the hollowed eyes. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives. I beg to dream and different from the hollowed eyes. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives. This is our lives on holiday.
Breaking in a sweat like a bomb threat. Is your silhouette fading out? Nothing left to lose. Detonate the fuse. Another break in this blowout. Ain't it beautiful? So unusual. Life's a gas and it's running out. Living a cliche. Gonna seize the day. Bottle rockets and celebrate. 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 Carpe diem, a battle cry. Are we all too young to die? Ask a reason and no reply. Are we all too young to die? Making a living, making a killing. What's worth forgiving? Heights. A blink of an eye, barely scraping by, dominated by passerbys. Feeling out of luck when the traffic's stuck, and you're feeling so left behind. Getting off the bench, get a second win, another promise to make a change. Got a broken wind.